Nakita namin!
Ate, alam namin naka-Samsung ka.
Singkay mo! Ayun. Talaga focus ng ano, yung ilaw. Tingnan mo silaw din, no? Tayo din tayo dyan, te.
Ayaw ko. Ate, alam ko naka-Samsung ka. Eye level lang po yung fan cam.
Huwag ka makipag-away. Abangan ka niyan.
First timer mag-fan meet.
Abangan ka niyan. Makulit ka. May heart pa yan.
Buke. Natayo ka din? Soto mayo? Natayo ka din? Sabi mo lang pag ayaw.
Sige.
Ayaw mo?
Gusto ko.
Sige, usap na. Pwede.
Lumayas ka dyan. Ay, pinalaya.
Kumandong ka sa akin. Hay! Trip to Jerusalem to. Sige, pag kayo nabas yung mga likod nyo, ha?
Saan ang likod ko?
Sabi nila sa likod, wala naman sa likod namin eh.
Sige, tayo lang kayo dyan para medyo maganda yung view dito. Nakakatuwad-tuwad. Eh, yung nasa harap nga eh. Charot. Wala kaming marinig. Wala, ba't ang hina? Pakilakas po. Wala kang maintindihan. Ang sarap nyo! Ang binisan na! Nakakainis! Nakakainis! Gopo ni Santa Mami!
รู้สึกตื่นเต้นมากนะแล้วก็ทุกคนที่มี energy ดีมากๆเดี๋ยววันนี้มาสนุกไปด้วยกันให้เต็มที่นะครับ
So this is my first time, so happy to join with the floor at the class today, and this is my first time, I'm also very excited. So let's make time.
Yes!
Love you.
ไปใช่ไหม
Thank
Ay, Jollibee tayo mamaya, te.
Akala ko ba KFC tayo?
I love you more. Jadi akhirnya kita tahu
How many of you, this is your first time seeing us here?
ก็เป็นครั้งแรกที่มาซื้อเรื่องของตัวเองที่มาเจอทุกคนวันนี้แล้วก็ได้มากับนักเรียนคนไหนได้ทุกคนก็รู้สึกดีใจมากที่ได้เจอ
I come with my, my brothers today, the two. Very perfect alignment. So this is awesome.
และคือ
And this is the first time as a full perfect aligners group here in Manila. For you, it's not. But you also mentioned some Filipino food that you tried. So, what's your favorite so far, or what are you most excited to try?
ส่วนดี
You tried a chicken joy.
Yeah, the fried chicken with gravy, right?
Pugi ni Junior.
For the others, any other.
เราคนอื่นล่ะคะมีอะไรที่ลองทานแล้วหรือว่ามีอะไรที่คิดว่าอยากจะลองบ้าง
อยากให้ทุกคนแนะนำดีกว่าครับ
So can you guys recommend what is your great food here?
Ikaw, be, ikaw!
Di ba ako?
Kami, be, kami!
Andy Tikim to!
Well, that was very good. That was very
Any Thai cuisine or Thai food that you recommend here for Filipino? แล้วอาหารไทยล่ะถ้าเป็นอาหารไทยเราอยากจะเรียกว่ามีมีสิ่งที่ทาน
ก็ต้องซอยก็ซอยนะ
Khao Soi is like a noodles from the north part of Thailand, and it's like a little like same with the coconut and curry flavor, and it's very we get one of the best soup also.
For the others.
Try together.
Together, we are doing a lot of cool things this afternoon. So before we let you guys go, we are nearing the end of our presentation. Anything that you want to tell your fans? Oh, this is something they have to look
Ilaw
forward
naman,
to
te.
for today's performance, for today's dance.
Kayo yung pinapakita kasi nila, kala ano, para kitang-kita daw kayo.
Kita mo yun.
Eye level fan cam lang oh. Kasi naiinggit yung cellphone ko sa cellphone nyo. Sorry ito lang ako eh. Hi.
Tayo kayo, subukan nyo. May lilipad na iPad.
Social, iPad lilipad sa inyo. Sana all. Ano? Nagsisi na din ng Team Airport?
Okay, busy ako. Dapat na sumulong na ako sa baha.
Kaya nga eh. Wala, 7 ako nakauwi eh. Alam nyo na, kung sino pupuruin natin mamaya si Pongkan. Bukod pinagpala sa lahat.
Nagibigay si Tata.
Oh, okay. Kung may hindi gusto dyan, listen ka, ha? ก็เหมือนพี่น้องจริงๆเพราะว่าไม่มีที่ไหนที่จะกล้าทำ
So, so I think it's also like Santa, right? That the perfect moment is always because, you know, it is a time when we speak the secret and make us verify our relationship.